Alright. A little sick right now, so I sound a little different. Feel like absolute shit, but it's all good. Let's see. I'm gonna be backtesting a lot in January. I'm gonna do honestly like 4 weeks. Hopefully I don't get burnt out. Jesus Christ. I'm probably gonna go over what I took today later on in the video, so let's get right to it. When I started it, Monday already played out, so I can't even, I already saw what happens. So I had these sell side levels marked out. Looks like price can still come down to sell side, but overall higher time frame structure doesn't look the best, so I'm gonna be patient, wait. We got relative equal highs up here, so we'll see what happens. That 15-minute tap right here. Get this run up, no retracements whatsoever. Tap into this 15-minute here. I'm gonna commentate every single thing so I don't have to label it. So we're inside of this 15-minute. I want to see how price reacts. Okay, we get this inverse, but I don't really, not a big fan of it. Let's see what price wants to do. We have any higher draws. We have this hourly unfilled gap. So price is gonna be bearish. I'd rather see a 5-minute condition open up to the downside before taking anything. So right now this is what I'm looking at. Price coming off these 5-minute gaps before continuing higher, unless we just continue higher. Yeah, 15-minute as well. It's 10 a.m. Get that sweep there. And the 30-second inversion took out the break-even level. Hourly 15. I like the 30-second close here, but it's not any clean break evens, but I kind of do like it. We'll take this inversion here. TP. I'm gonna take this, but once ES takes out this low, I'm gonna go break even. Alright, that's break even, automatic break even. NQ also took it out. See if we can get a flush. Continue lower. Got hit break even there. Unfortunately. And went straight to TP. Wait, did I even get hit break even? It didn't even hit me break even, bro. Chill, chill. Maybe I put it too close. Chill. Yeah, I did not get hit break even. So 1.28. So trade one, coming off the hourly, within the 4 hour, within the 15 minute. It's 10 a.m. already. 10:16 accumulation, manipulation, uh, break even at the accumulation zone low. Take profit the 15-minute unfilled gap. Oh yeah, right there. Okay. 15-minute unfilled gap. It's a 30-second inversion. It's pretty clean inverse. Uh, why is this not the break even? Well, this is the accumulation zone, the whole accumulation. So this low is part of it. And we ended up taking that here, which is why I went break even there. And break even barely missed it, which is super fire. Yeah, it's all for this day. Going to the next day. Alright, we got sell side taken here, but we're also coming off an hourly for value gap. We got more sell side down here. Overall higher time frame structure is choppy on ES and a little bit on NQ. Dude, it hurts to talk, bro. I feel nauseous right now too. But hey, still backtesting. It came into this 15-minute here. Respecting the 15. Tapping into this higher 5-minute. Still got sell side below. We got this intermediate term low here. We got London low as the draw on liquidity. Okay, I'm not taking this. Be patient on this one. Alright, we manipulate into this high here. It's a 15-minute intermediate term high. It's also an intermediate term high within a gap. I'm gonna close within that. Gonna have a 3-minute inversion, 4-minute, 5-minute. No close. Let's see, where's ES going to? ES could reach into this hourly. No 15-minute gaps. Let's see. NQ's bullish. We're gonna go to this hourly here. There's no setup to there. Unless we get a 5-minute fair value gap. Alright, not a fan of this price action. Kind of super slow and choppy on its way up. So I'm gonna skip to the next day. Again, super tight range. Not a fan of this price action. We got London high here, London low here. Coming off this, we inverse this hourly for value gap. Still buy side above. So overall, unbiased. We inverse this, almost inverse this, inverse these. Don't like this price action. Alright, played a 15-minute there because there's no point in waiting. I need some sort of manipulation, some sort of more structure. Show me where price wants to go. So if we're gonna be bullish, we're probably gonna go to this high. Yeah, looks a little reasonable. 5-minute gap here. See if we get a continuation higher. Coming off this intermediate term high, I'd rather see better lower time frame structure if we're gonna go to this high here. If we come back down, potentially get a manipulation lower or not. Just pump higher. Let's take that high out. Got this hourly here. ES is all-time highs, super bullish, so do not want to be shorting here. So we have a 5-minute here. See if we get a long hourly unfilled gap. So 1019. Open up a 15-minute here. A 5-minute below. Such a bare minimum, yeah, too bare minimum of a mech. I don't really, not a fan of this. It'd be a 30-second. Yeah, nothing this day either. Go to next day. So, price is at all-time highs now. Honestly, not looking for much here. If we're gonna be bearish, it would be London low. If I'm gonna be bearish, I need a good condition to open up. Whatever the hell that is. What was that? On Wednesday? Friday? Already? Yeah, NFP. Alright, whatever. Okay. 1025. 5 minutes for value gap. Highly doubt we're gonna get there. We do have London low. We do have SMT at London low. Okay, we open up a new 5-minute, so we could potentially see lower. $10.47. No trade. At a good pace here. 14 minutes for 1 week. We could definitely knock out. Especially with the price action that we have, I could probably knock out 3 more weeks easily. We got sell side here. Sell side here. So I do want to see price move lower. If we're going to continue bullishness, I'd want to see this 4 hour get tapped into. So we'll see. Got a 15-minute for value gap here, so if I'm going to be bearish, I want to see this 15-minute tap. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get there. Actually, we can. No, we can't. Okay. So tapping this 4 hour here, do we have a gap? These 15-minute lows here, so we could continue bearishness to the sell side, which is also that hourly intermediate term low. We do have S&T at the low. Coming off this 5 minute. Let's see. We get this 5 minute inversion, but not a huge fan of it. I'm gonna wait for a new condition to open up if we're gonna continue bullishness. No 15 minute. Let's tap into the hourly here. Hourly for value gap. It's already 10:18. Get manipulation of the high. 4 minute. It'd be a 5 minute inverse. $10.45. This 5 minute inversion. Super volatile coming off the 15 minute. Super long wick, however. And we got SFT at this low. Just by time alone, with it being 10:45 and this just super long wick on the 15 or 1 hour, I'm gonna fade it. Not the best condition in my opinion. Yeah, alright, next day. Let's see, we got sell side got taken. We got this 4 hour for value gap down here. Just add every like 10 seconds, I swear. I got this 4 hour for value gap. Hourly for value gap as well. Let's open up a 15 minute. We got tap inverse this 15 minute right here. We got a 15 minute up here. We already took sell side, so potentially this could be the lowest point in price. And we do have SMT as well. With this low. So let's see what happens. Tapping this 15 minute. Are we gonna respect it or continue lower? So if we're respecting it, we need to see a 5 minute inversion. Let's see first. We got SMT at the low. We're tapping into these. We're sweeping south side, tapping into the hourly for value gap. We have this hourly unfilled gap, which is also in line with London high. So personally, about to inverse this 15 minutes. Pretty bullish. We have this 5 minute for value up here. And then we're getting this 1 minute inversion. only issues that were coming off this 15-minute for value gap. Kind of ranging. I'm gonna fade it actually. So we do end up getting this 5-minute inversion. Super bearish close on that 5-minute. So you get 1-1 there. I think ES could at least take this low out, so break even will be this level. See how it looks. Yeah, pretty clean inversion, in my opinion. Should we break even there? Go for a 1-1. Break even. Automatic break even. Could not hit 1-1 here. We sweep this low out. Removes the SMT, so we don't have SMT anymore. Get that strong rejection, strong manipulation. Then we have another 5-minute here. It's 10-13. I don't know, I'm just not too confident in this higher time frame draw. We're just still ranging within this hourly fair value gap. This rejection here as well. This trade could definitely play out. Kind of got accumulation, some lows here, manipulation, but I'm gonna fade this one. Alright, I think I'm gonna, dude. I think I'm gonna call this one. Call it a day here. It's 10:28. Alright, going to next day. It's Wednesday. Got CPI this day. When was CPI? That candle. Again, ranging PA, so honestly not taking anything, or not, at least not confident anything. We got CE right there. We got this hourly fair value gap. Shit, hold on. Drinking some tea, so I'm not feeling well. 15-minute here. So intermediate term highs. Let's see what price could do. Should get that manipulation. Straight chop. At this point, looking for a 5-minute condition lower. Unless we respect this 15-minute, right now we're ranging, so if we do come back up, but not like price action. Alright, we open up a 5 minute here. Super tiny though, so I don't really. But we inverse this 5 minute, so if we could potentially come back into that, could get a short. Nope, we inverse that 5 minute. So we inverse the 15, and then we inverse the bearish 5 minute. Create a new condition, but we also take a buy side here. So check out buy side. We got SMT at those highs. No gaps. No gaps. No 4 hour. Got this hourly here. Honestly, not looking for much. What's happening in this 5 minute? It's 10:20. Getting this choppy PA, not delivering off of anything. We have a 5 minute for value gap now. See if this could send us higher to this hourly unfilled gap. So we end up hitting that hourly unfilled gap. We get a 2 minute inverse. So we get this 2 minute inversion. So we get a 3 minute inversion. 4 minute down there. 5 minute right here. So if we could get this 3 minute here and this 1 minute candle. Can't. 1, 2, 3. 10:50. Chop. Not gonna take anything. No setups there. Going next day. It's Thursday. We got Palace peaks at 12. Alright, so that's pretty much all we got. So again, some chop. Took out this buy side. So pretty high resistance high. We got SMT at London high. It's hourly for value gap. Missed that high. Create relative equal highs. No gap. Inverse is 4 hour. Just super choppy price action. I'll wait for condition to open up or something. Anything. 10:50. No setup. Just straight sideways. Low volatility. 4 hour high. This high was a pretty high resistance. If I were to take a long, there was nothing that price tapped into to take a long. So next day. So now we got the sell side here. We have a 4 hour gap. If we come up to this high, that'll be, I'd say, a pretty solid setup, but it's a little far. give me a second. Bro, tea is so soothing. Bro, this crazy price action, I swear. Dog, what are we doing? Coming off this 4-hour. Also coming off these 15 minutes. Just not a big fan of this. I need to see a displacement somewhere. We got displacement, but a little too much displacement. We end up getting that 4-minute inversion, but I mean, look at that inverse. It's crazy. Alright, we take sell side. We have a 4-hour. See, oh wait, no, we've been tapped out, huh? So target now is gonna be this sell side here. Let's see if we can get here. We have SMT at that low. Okay, we create a 5-minute fair value gap. No inversion here. Still not taking anything. We have 5-minute inverse. Ooh. I actually fuck with that. That's fire. Ooh, okay, okay. Tap anything. Tap into anything. Just 15-minute intermediate term low. And we have SMT. Do not have SMT. Oh, we have a SMT from down here. It's pretty far. Strong reaction. Pretty nice 5-minute inversion. Stop is gonna be at this low. Target 1R. Kind of a large target, but break even is gonna be at the 15-minute fair value gap. So the 12, 841. Let's see. I'm probably gonna go break even once ES takes it out. Okay, this is way too slow. Dude, I didn't go break even when ES took it out, bro. I forgot I even said that, bro. Or was that? That was, even is it? So right here, okay, yeah, that would have been break even. Since that 15-minute is not necessarily the draw, but it's the area you expect to reject, we get SMT at the 15-minute, SMT fill at the 15-minute. would have been right there, so that would have been break even. So that's break even, and then you gotta hit break even there. I didn't even do pay attention to that. Alright, so again, another day, trade, 11 a.m. Sell side down here. Just playing 15-minute candles at that point. I mean, we're not getting anything. Tapping this hourly, tapping that 15-minute. We get a 5-minute inversion. That would end up stopping you out. And then you get another 5-minute inversion. After the 15-minute gets inverse, I mean, then you just chop up. So, I mean, absolutely nothing. Where are we? So, January 19th. Oh, it's a bank holiday. So, January 19th. No news, and Biden speaks tomorrow. So, not expecting much. We already have SMT at the lows. We have the hourly fair value gap right here. We're coming off an hourly fair value gap. We got a 4-hour here, so if we're gonna be bullish, I want to see this 4-hour, but we also swept this intermediate term high within the 4 hours, so we have a pretty high resistance high, unless we get confirmation that we want to move higher. So we got a clean manipulation of this low. So we get the low and then we get that stupid trade. We're just within this hourly for value gap, and we just took out this 15-minute intermediate term high. Well, let's see. So this intermediate term high is taken, cent price lower to that 4-hour fair value gap. There's also an hourly fair value gap. And then we get apparently a 30-second inversion.
This holiday season, you can count on Ralph's. You get up high quality with our exclusive brands and down low prices. Because at Ralph's, quality and low prices always come together.
This be a 30-second inverse targeting that 15-minute unfilled gap to 1R. Should be those highs. Did we already take out the draws? We already took out the draws, so I'm not gonna take this. Missed 1R? No, hit it exactly. So we tap in that 15-minute. Don't really have any sell side draws. A 1-minute inverse here. Nope, no 1-minute inverse. Straight chop. Coming off a 4-hour, coming off a 15-minute in the highs. Let's see if we get a anything clean. Not even a 1-minute. Not even a 30-second. Okay, we get a resweep of the lows. No SMT. Tap into anything. Tap into 15-minute. But now we're inside of this 5-minute, so get a 5-minute inverse. have this just have this weird range. Not a huge fan of this inversion, to be honest. What time is it? It's 10:06. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. did manipulate. I'll take my chances with this. It's gonna be TP at this high. Oh, for 1-1. Just a 1-1. Oh, that was the close. Whatever. Still got the same close. Whoa, whoa. Okay, as soon as we hopefully get a break, we'll have SMT with this high. So I would've, oh my god, why is it playing 5 minutes, bro? So break even would have been once we pass this. So I'm gonna close that break even as soon as, or just replay it break even. Okay, replaying this break even. So took the 5-minute inverse here, created this new swing high here. Did not get hit break even. Said that I'll go break even once we hit this high on ES. We weren't necessarily there, so once we get a break above that here, go break even there. Instant break even. Because we did put a SMT there. So just straight up break even, straight choppy trades. Choppy setups. That's the thing about the price action like this. We like end up getting the TPs, but like way later, way later. Alright, back at all-time highs. $10.15. I'm just playing 15-minute candles at this point. There's no point in being on a lower time frame. I mean, we're at all-time highs. 11. Alright, just completely skipping this whole day. Just hate trading all-time highs. You're not coming off of anything, and you're just pumping higher into the abyss. So, no trade that day. We got Thursday now. Thursday, January 21st. We got 8:30 news. We have structure. Yeah, we kind of do. Inverse this hourly for value gap. So if we can potentially come into this 4-hour if we're gonna be bearish. If we're gonna be bearish. Bro, price is coming from this 15-minute. Pretty hard to slow. Since we're bullish, I'm gonna assume price wants to be bullish. I'm gonna stay patient on this one. Not gonna take anything. If we got an SMT and get an inversion to upside, it's potentially something I'll take. We have a 3-minute. 4-minute? No, 4 minutes. Hopefully we can get a good close on this. If we can get a good close, I actually pretty like this. I like the setup a little bit. Don't like it anymore. See if we get a 30-second. Super slow 30-second. Okay, with another 3-minute here. Okay, now we get a 3-minute inversion. This looks much better. still have that 15 minute. Got the resweep here. Slow. Got a second resweep, and that second resweep was ES taking out liquidity, putting in SMT. End up getting a 3-minute inversion right here. Take profit is going to be 1R, yeah, probably right there. Break even at this high. Have a 5-minute gap here. We got buy side here. Yeah, 3-minute long, break even at the high. Inverse this 1 minute. Okay, now I feel a little more confident. If we get inverse at 1 minute, if we can continue this price action higher. Take out the new internal high. Put an SMT there. Honestly, potentially could have gone break even there with how much price action we're getting. 10 a.m. open right there too. So 10 a.m. We'll see what happens here. Okay, that's gonna be a break even. Hit 1R. Potentially could have gone for just buy side, but we did have that 5-minute at this point. Just take it what I could get, man. We're just getting this chop throughout January. Like I don't like this price action. It's just straight booty, bro. But took my 1R perfectly fine. Don't mind it at all, especially with this price action. So simple SMT at the lows, 15-minute fair value gap held, internal sweep, and then another resweep, clean V-shape 3-minute. Like that 3-minute. Reason why I stayed in and didn't go break even. We had 10 a.m. Price already manipulated. Was expecting this to send price higher. 10 a.m. did send price higher. Sat in some nasty chop, but it's all good. Yeah, going the next day here. Got the sell side here. No imbalances whatsoever. No 4-hour, no 4-hour. So actually, just probably not going to take anything this day unless we get some sort of displacement. Right, so we did get displacement there. Drawn liquidity being all-time highs. A 15-minute gap. We have this 5-minute gap right here. We have these relative equal highs right there. We did get this 1-minute inverse right here. So that would break even. We got hit break even. Break even at this internal high. So if 10 a.m. can manipulate this low down here, I'd like this setup. Please. Nice. Okay, we got a manipulation. No fair value gaps inverse. Yep, absolutely nothing. We got a resweep. No 30-second. Nothing. Tapped in that 15 minute. Hold this 5 minute. Got an internal resweep. No fair value gap to inverse. So not taking anything. So 1023. We're getting some dog price action. Inverse both 15-minute fair value gaps. To 1015. 1055. Go to next day. Absolutely nothing this day. Come up, create an imbalance. We have a nice, let's say, pretty nice draw. Nice intermediate draw. Get no clean price action off these 15-minute gaps. We end up inversing it and then just chop the rest of the session. Alright, final week of January. Let's see, we're all-time high still, so I don't want to be shorting here. Still coming off this 15-minute for value gap, tapping this lower one. We have no gaps to inverse. So we push lower. Create a 5-minute for value gap. Let's happen this 4-hour. Tapping this hourly. Also a 15-minute. We have a 5-minute there. 4-minute there. Be a 30-second inversion. Nothing. Alright, straight dump. No shorts. Did not pull back into anything. No 15-minute gap. No 5-minute gap to pull back into. If I had a draw, it'd be these lows, but just no rebalancing anything. So we're gonna go to the next day. Now we got no news. We got 10 a.m. news. It's FOMC week. In versus 4-hour. Tapped into this lower one down here and took out sell side, so I'm pretty bullish. We already have SMT at the high, so we'll see if we can create a new condition or tap into any of these 15 minutes. Would need a candle down. Okay, flushing. Checking out this low here. We're within this hourly for value gap. We have this low here, so potentially we could see a long maybe. Okay, we got a 3-minute. We have a 4-minute. We got a 4-minute. 5-minute. We got a 5-minute. This 5-minute inverse. We got SMT here. Taking that internal low. How's the inversion look? Oof. I don't. Generating low resistance liquidity at my stop here. Not a fan of this 5-minute inversion. I'm gonna fade it. Would have gotten hit break even.
At Sprouts, our shelves are filled with new, exciting, and delicious discoveries.
This price action is actually ass. What a horrible January. So, oh, it's already 11. Alright, now we're getting price lower. We gotta see if this wick, so potential draw on liquidity. Came into this 15 minutes, so if we get a resweep and then come up into this 15-minute for value gap, we can get a short. Let's see, it's super close to this low. So I'd want to see price come up, sweep out these highs, or come into this 15-minute potentially. Oh, I need to warm up my tea. Give me like 30 seconds, hold on. Alright, back. Remembered up my tea, it's a little warm now. Let's see if we can get a price move higher. Judging my price action, I feel like it's gonna do some bullshit and just send price lower without getting a retracement. Come on, give me something. Give me a retracement. Oh, we already tapped that hourly. Just low key, we don't need to move higher. I could low key force a short right now. Ooh, shit. Nah, I need manipulation, bro. Come on, come on. Oh. Alright. Oh. What the hell are we? Oh, that's our. Oh, because it's 9:30. Oh. Alright, well, we already got SMT at the low. But we could still see it. I want to see it. No, not really. But create a 5-minute for value gap, so could see it. Chop up a little bit, and we see sell side. All right. We get a 2-minute inverse. Potentially, no. We got a 3. No, we don't have a 3-minute. Okay, we got a 2-minute. Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit. All right. Sell side. Bro, we didn't even hit a cap, bro. What are we doing, NQ? Come on now. Lock in NQ. Not even a 15-minute? Not even a 15-minute. NQ's tripping, bro. What are we moving off of right now? Like, bro. Come on. Oh my. Such a clean inversion, but we just didn't have anything, bro. No gap. We're not coming off of anything. Yeah, it's an it is an intermediate term low within a gap technically. but I would much rather would have wanted this 4 hour to get tapped. That was a pretty clean inversion though. I low-key threw that one. Not gonna lie. Was that a 15 minute? The 15 minute was right there. 5 minute was right there. So break even at the 15. Oh, wait, no, break even at the 5. Go for 1 hour. Whatever. I'm gonna forget about it like I never even saw it. So I'm gonna take continuation longs now to these highs. Could even get a clean inversion. Okay, we got a bearish inversion. We're taking a bearish setup right now. 1040, 1053, no trade. This 2 minute inverse, honestly, was actually pretty solid. It was an intermediate low within a gap because we came into this hourly, came into this 4 hour. But honestly, I'd much rather would have wanted that 4 hour down below. Yeah, SMG. Oh, we also had SMG at that low. Okay. Not a bad setup. Not a bad 2 minute inverse. But with price action this entire January, I'd probably be more picky. So we're gonna go to the next day. It's gonna be Thursday. Hopefully we get a trade this week. Coming off this hourly here. Alright. Hourly for value gap, 15 minute for value gap, pretty bullish. Got low resistance liquidity at the low, so um, honestly just waiting. Should have a 3 minute inversion. Coming off this hourly, coming off the 15 minute, we have all these 15 minute unfilled gaps. We have this 5 minute unfilled gap. Then we have an SMT at the high. We don't have an SMT at the high. We have low resistance liquidity at the lows. Is it high resistance? Kind of. This would be a 4 minute inversion. Yeah, I like it. Come on, PA. What are we doing? I hate this price action, bro. It's actually gonna piss me off, bro. Genuinely. Bro. I should not have taken that, bro. What am I doing? Oh, I'm tripping, bro. I'm tripping. Alright. Whatever, bro. I should not have taken that, like, dead ass. That was, like, honestly the most ass setup I've ever taken, ever in backtesting history. Oh my god, what the fuck am I doing, bro? Hey, if you're, if you actually watch this through. If you actually watch this. No, dude, well, you know, who's actually gonna watch a whole hour backtesting, am I right? You're gonna act like that never happened. No bullshit. No, you're gonna act like it just never happened, bro. Bryce is super bullish. It's early into the session. We're just gonna act like that never happened. What my ideal thought process was, right? If Price is gonna continue bullishness, we're at least gonna hit this 15 minute. But Looking back at it now, you can't assume we're just gonna come down when we already respected a 15-minute for value gap. So that's why it was a bad trade. Railed, and we continue higher. Yeah, we just continue higher. So yeah. Takeaways.
The McDonald's snack wrap is back. You brought it back. Ranch snack wrap. Spicy snack wrap. You broke the internet. Put a snack. Snack wrap is back.
JCPenney's mystery sale means everyone's a winner. Hurry in store for a
Dude,
chance to
why
win
is there an
extra
ad,
30,
bro?
40, or 50% off, or hit the $60 off jackpot deal.
Alright, those are my takeaways for this session, this trading session. Analytics is 2 trades this month. 2 trades. We're not gonna mind that that stupid ass loss. Just taking shit, just to take shit. Yeah, gonna end that there. Alright, see you guys.